Worried about keeping your personal information private while using Tinder? Don't let privacy concerns hold you back from online dating. Introducing SMS-MAN, the best way to protect your privacy. In this video, we'll show you how to get a virtual phone number for your Tinder account. We understand how important it is to keep your personal information private while exploring online dating. That's why virtual phone numbers are the perfect tool. Getting started with SMS-MAN is simple. Here's how it works. Go to sms-man.com and sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the email sent to you. Once that's done, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click on the top-up button to add funds to your account. SMS-MAN offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Now, choose the service you need the virtual number for, whether it's Tinder or another platform. Then, pick the country you want your number to be from. Click on the Buy SMS button to purchase the virtual number. Once your purchase is complete, you'll see the number appear under the History tab in your dashboard. Head over to the Play Store or App Store and download the Tinder app. Once installed, open it and start the registration process. Now go back to your SMS-MAN dashboard, copy the virtual number you purchased, and paste it into the Tinder registration page. Click the Receive SMS button, and within seconds, you'll receive the verification code right on your SMS-MAN dashboard. Simply copy the code and paste it into Tinder app to complete the verification. And there you go, your Tinder account is created and you're all set to use it. SMS-MAN takes the hassle out of getting a virtual number, offering a seamless and fully automated experience. No sharing of personal information, no hassle with setup, no worries while dating. Plus, their support team is here to help whenever you need it. SMS-MAN, the smart choice for fast, secure, and cost-effective solutions.